Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tamara and I am currently 37 weeks pregnant. I promised you guys in one of my vlogs that I will go through these bags with you guys of the stuff that I pick up at Target. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's start with this bag. So I got some Lactation cookie bites. I already have some from Amazon. I bought some from Amazon, as you guys see in other vlogs. I bought some from Amazon and I decided to pick up some more because I mean you can't have too much, right? And it's a good snack. I'm going to actually put that put some in my at my bedside table. So the next thing I picked up was some wipes. I got the Pampers brand sensitive skin. I wanted to get some Uggies also, but they only had Pampers brand, so I picked up a few of them. And this is 168 and the other one was also 168 counts. So that's that. And I think I picked up some more too, but I guess it's in other bag. I also got some cotton balls that I will also need to put in my inside the baby thingy cart, bedside table cart. Got that for that. I also pick her up some more pacifier. So hold on, that's that. Get her some more pacifier. And I also got her some clipper fingernail clips so I can do her nails. I did bought her a pedicure, manicure and pedicure kit, but I also got her the clipper just in case. I also picked up this silicone teeter. I thought it was cute. I picked it up. I also got her this thermometer. Just in case, you know, you should have this stuff when you have a baby. And let's see, I picked up a body wash to go inside my hospital bag, but I think this is too big, so I'm going to try and get like a traveling size one to go in my hospital bag. Okay, what's more pacifier? I have a few of these already and I just picked up some more. Well, her dad did. In the next bag we got her this formula. It's the already made one, infant formula, milk based with iron, perfect for newborn. Her dad chose this one. I'm gonna breastfeed, so I don't really need this, but we just got this just in case. I don't know if she need formula, or if I'm not home, or maybe if she's not taking the breast, then we have some formula on hand. So we just got this just in case. Actually I've never seen a ready-made formula here in Jamaica, so I think they have this, but I think they do have it in like the powder form that you have to add water and stuff. So in this bag I picked up the nose Frida. I have one of this in Jamaica, but since we're not in Jamaica at the moment, I have to pick up another one just in case we need it. I mean, you can't have too much, right? I also picked up Gripe Water. I see where like YouTubers mom, they're all like, oh, you should have Gripe Water just in case whatever happens, blah blah blah. So I pick it up just in case. I guess having a newborn, you need to have things just in case. I also got her the Desitin Daily Defense rash cream. So diaper rash cream. I got two. I like the, what is it, I have Rash cream for her from the Mustela brand, but I also got these, so I don't want to just use one product on her. I also want to like use other products just in case I can't get the other brand. Here we have bags for my breast pump, or we also picked up a breast pump, and I got some extra storage breast milk storage bags. I got some extra ones, a pack. Yeah. Next thing I picked up a chopstick to put in my hospital bag. I already took out one and put it in my hospital bag, so there's another one. And I also got some vitamin D for her, because I also see on YouTube, for YouTuber's mom, that the only thing the breast milk doesn't have is vitamin D, so I got her vitamin D drops. So also pick up some bottles. I got the Dr. Brown, but I'm not sure if this is the best brand, but I've been like doing a lot of research, but I see where a lot of people using Dr. Brown, and I just like pick it up. But I'm planning on getting more bottles for her, but for now we just got this set of 5, and it comes with all these little parts, so I'm like, okay, maybe it's a good brand to get. But for now, this is what she's going to be using if we need to give her the formula or to give her my breast milk in a bottle. Okay guys, so here is my breast pump. So we got the Medela brand pumping style. Well, actually the dad chose this brand. He claimed it's the best brand. So it's double electric breast pump. I'm going to open it and show you guys what comes inside it, but I would assume all these things come inside it. So yeah, and this breast pump was actually kind of pricey. It was like $200 or $200 and something dollars. Oh yeah, so this is what come inside. There's a book, a manual. Here is, what is this? Pumping style. What is this? This is the breast pump. Oh my god, I don't even know how to use a breast pump, and it comes with that. Whatever these are, I don't even know how to use a breast pump, guys, so I just have to figure this out. And these, the charger, the bag, whatever this is. So this is the charger, and then in this black bag here it comes with bottles. So I guess you attach these to the machine, and the milk goes inside here. So it came with 4. Oh my god, 4 bottles, a bag to carry the breast pump in, and as I said, I'll assume this is the breast pump. Yeah, this is the breast pump. Oh, poor me. And down here, what's in here now? So many different parts. And inside this box, these came inside there. I don't know what these are, but as I told you guys, I want to figure these things out because I don't know. So inside here, which is the last bag, is more wipes, and this is 100. All of them is 168 pounds. So I got 4 packs. Of course, you're gonna need a lot more wipes, but for now, I just got these. Okay, so next thing I pick up was a baby oil, the Johnson. I didn't want to get Johnson baby oil, but because it's what I used to forever. And I didn't see any more at the store, so I got the Johnson baby oil. I also got a body wash, shampoo and wash, daily moisture wash and shampoo for her, the Aveeno brand. I already have like bath products for her, but I pick up this just in case, just to have a different brand, so I can use different brand on her just in case. So these are everything that was in the bags. I also picked up Pampers. I bought like 1 box of newborn, which is 84, and 1 box of Uggies, which is stage 1, and another box of Pampers, which is also stage 1. So that's 3 boxes. Hey guys, so I have mentioned that I'm going to braid my hair myself. Yes, and I did, which I'm not completely finished as yet, but this is what I'm going on with. I can't believe I've done it, guys. I cannot believe it. Like, I've been trying to find somebody to braid my hair and no luck. So I decided to buy the stuff and do it myself, and I'm really surprised and impressed by my work. I cannot believe I did this. Like, I did this for the first time. I tried braiding my hair and I did this. Show you guys. I can't believe I did this on my own. My little station. It took me, I've been doing it for 2 days now. Well, not all day, but because I have to take breaks and do other stuff, so it took me like 2 times. Now I'm going to do the last. It's just I have a small portion left. I'm going to do it right now, so I'm going to be finished with this. This is my little station.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
So we're setting up her car seat over here. What is this for? What is this for? So this is Mama car seat. It's so nice. I really like it. Oh, this is a newborn state, so you take it out after a while. I can't believe her little feet's gonna be right there. That's so cute. My little munchkin. What are you doing? Adjusting the straps? Oh, so you can fit her. Ta-da! So that part gonna be in the car. What is this?
Wait, so to see if it's level.
Oh. Okay, so her car seat is ready. This is so nice though. Hey mama. I bought this on Amazon. I was trying to get it on their website. I did order twice and they canceled it, so I had to go on Amazon and purchase this. I'll put a link in the bio if you guys interested. Okay guys, so I finally finished braiding my hair. And this is what it looks like. Let me just come a little closer. So y'all need to rate me and let me know. Let me know how I did. Comment down below how I did. My first time braiding my own hair. So here we are. I was gonna hot water it, but then I get lazy. Well, I'm tired. So I didn't do that. But this is it.
Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate.